Hi, my name's Justin Lane. I'm the CEO of eSuite Software. We've been creating solutions for the food distribution industry for over 12 years. One of the big challenges for the food industry is customer-specific pricing. So let's take a quick look at how we solve this issue. First of all, I'm going to open up some stock codes. We're going to have a look at this one here. And you can see we buy it for $10 and we sell it for $20. If you buy 20 or more, you get a discounted volume discount price, and we have 4 levels of quantity break pricing if you need that many. And also over here we have some fields that we're going to use. What we want is we've got a warning price and a minimum price. We don't want to sell it below this price. And down the bottom here we've got some campaign discount pricing where you can set a fixed price or a percentage discount for the month of November in this case, or you can buy one get one free, and all those volume discounting options are available. So let's have a look at the other stock code, which is this one here. This is very similar, except we haven't got a campaign price, and in the B2B, but we've also got a thing called B2B pricing, where we've negotiated with these particular customers to sell them at a certain price. So in this case, this customer will get it for $15 even though the price is normally $18. So let's have a quick look at how that works. I'm going to do a sales order. Select the customer, and we'll select that beef item. The Wagyu first. It picks up the $18 from the campaign discount price, and the other beef item should pick up the B2B pricing that is specific to that customer. Now I can verify the B2B pricing by double clicking on the customer here, and if I go to the B2B pricing I can see that same information. There it is there, $15. Normal sell price is $18. Now when I save this transaction, it will there's an option where you can save these if you save these negotiating prices for the next order that comes through. Now one of the big challenges is if you do this, if you have negotiated pricing, the real challenge is you want to make sure you don't sell below your cost. Right? So in both of these two stock items we set the cost at $10 for each of them, and we want to just test that. We've got some color coding here, and to make sure that we don't sell below a certain price. So from memory, I think if we sell this at $11, the price will go red because it's below that warning price. If we sell it for $14, it goes orange, and if we sell it for $19, it'll go green because it's above our warning price. Same goes here. If I sell it to $14, it's going to be in the orange area. Now let's just finish that and have a look at how we set that up. Because what's important to know is that even though our system was designed generically as an ERP system for all sorts of different industries, this entire data entry screen is customizable. And so we'll have a quick look at that now. So I'll finish that transaction. File, system settings, batch types, and orders, grid settings. This is where the color coding formula is happening. We've got if the stock on hand is negative, we're going to show the stock available field in red, and we've got these the unit price. If it's below the minimum, we show it in red, and so on. The other thing in here is this area is how we can customize it. So for example, I might say I wanted to actually show the unit cost on the screen, and we'll go here and change the label, type cost, and make it read only, and we'll set the font to say green. Actually no, we'll set this purple so it stands out. Okay, so I've just added that field to the data entry screen. Click OK, and so the next time I do a sales order, it's going to pick up, it's going to show me those costs. In fact, I can do that and have a quick look at that order that we just created. So there it is, it's showing me the cost. So everything about our system is fairly highly customizable, and that's an important thing to note because all the it seems like all the food distribution industries are all slightly different, and they another example that we'll see in another demo is the fact that we deal with cartons and inners and units of measure and so on, and you can show whether you want to you can show stock availability, what's on sales order, and so on. This screen is heavily customizable. Now, it's all well and good to have these prices in here and show the costs, but because the food industry runs off tight margins, it's often the case that we really want to control what our sales reps do. We want to make sure that they don't sell below a certain cost. And in fact, if they know that a cost is $10, they'll try and sell right down to that price. So we've had requirements for some of the from some of our customers in the food game to actually artificially inflate this cost so that the sales reps think that they're selling right a very keen price. So what we've got is a setting in the system that allows us to, if we go into the file system settings, general settings, that allows us to set a broad markup on that cost for all items. It's in here, and in this case I've set it to 5%. And there's also the ability to set some items, and I think it's this one, to a specific markup price. So if we go into here, yeah, I've set this one to 20% markup. Okay, so let's have a look at what we can do when we log in as a sales rep. So I'm going to log in as a sales rep to a second instance of the program. And I'm going to log in as Joe. And the first thing you'll notice is that the whole program is vastly reduced in functionality, and this is to protect them from going into areas of the program they're not supposed to go into. And we'll do a sales order, and we'll select that customer, and we'll go in here and select that beef item. And straight away you've noticed that the cost price is picking up a 5% cost on this one and a 20% cost markup on this one. So it's calculating GPs and GP percentages based on those costs. And the other thing that we've got that prevents users in here, let's try and sell below cost. So we'll go for, we know it's $9 internally, but let's see if we can sell it for $11 here. So straight away it says, no, you don't have permission to do that, and it's asking me, well, you can get a supervisor to come along and enter the correct, to get past it. But if we go no, it says, I'm sorry, your minimum price is set to $13. And I don't know if you recall, but we set that in the stock code itself. You may be able to see that in here. The minimum price is set here to $13, and they're not allowed to edit this screen. They can see that the unit cost is $12. So there we go. That's how we control B2B pricing, customer specific pricing, negotiated pricing. A lot of flexibility in there. There's a lot of features in here that you can turn on and turn off, and I'm sure we can cover most of the requirements in that respect. So thanks for watching, and look forward to learning a bit about your requirements of your business and see if we can fit our software to your needs. Thank you.